Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to make AI-powered slides in clouds with Gamma. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, and then open up Claude AI. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then over here, click on this plus icon or plus sign. Go, click on Add Connectors, and from here, just go ahead, click on the search bar, look for Gamma. This one, click on it, and then you can choose connect. So it will actually prompt you to sign in with your account. So enter your credentials or continue with your Gmail account. Once you have authorized everything, you can now proceed. I'm going to put this right over here, send it to Cloud AI, and make sure to choose this option, always allow. Hit enter on your keyboard. It might ask you a few times. Just make sure to press enter, and Cloud will do the rest for you. It might take a few minutes depending on what you requested. So just be patient. And once done, Cloud will show this message. And here you go. My slides are done. You can now further open this and edit this on Gamma, and everything is good to go. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.